So in this activity, I created an IoT-based temperature monitoring and alert system using an ESP32 and a DHT11 sensor. So here, I connected my DHT11 to GPIO2 of the ESP32, which reads temperature and humidity every 30 seconds. And the ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi and sends the data online. And next is I set up an N8N workflow that receives the sensor data through a webhook link. And in my Arduino code here, the ESP32 connects to Wi-Fi, reads the sensor values, and formats them into JSON before sending them to N8N using an HTTP post request. And it also reconnects if the Wi-Fi drops. And finally, when the temperature exceeds the limit, I receive an email notification with the temperature, humidity, and time recorded.